Hi there, students. To go out like a light. Yeah, to go out like a light. He went out like a light. Did you have problems putting the children to bed? No, they were exhausted. They went out like a light. Okay, so to go to sleep very quickly. Yeah, I lay down in bed and I was out like a light. Okay, I uh, fell asleep immediately. Okay, this is a simile. Yeah, with a light switch, you flick the switch and it's off. Yeah, off and on. And that's it. Out like a light. So, yeah, click. Okay, so if you this is an easy informal phrase to use to say that somebody fell asleep immediately. I'd had a really hard day at work. I sat on the sofa and I went out like a light. I fell asleep immediately. I think more normally it's talking about not having any difficulty falling asleep. Yeah, if you've had a hard day, you go out like a light. Yeah, he went out like a light to fall asleep very quickly. Um, this is a simile. I think as to formality, I'm going to give this a 3.5 in formality. I would definitely use this in an informal conversation. In a semi-formal one, maybe just, but certainly no more formal than that. Okay? So normally when you get into bed, do you go out like a light or do you lie there saying, I need to go to sleep? You start counting sheep. If you're counting sheep, you haven't gone out like a light. Okay, so a nice easy phrase for you to use, to go out like a light. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Out like a light, to go out like a light. He was out like a light.